Most people think making their website look premium requires hiring a designer. It doesn't. In fact, a few small changes can completely shift how your website is perceived, even if you keep the exact same content. Here's how to make your website look more high-end, starting today. The first is spacing. This is one of the biggest differences between a cheap-looking website and a premium one. Most websites feel cramped. Too much text, too close together, not enough breathing room. Luxury websites do the opposite. They use more space, between sections, around text, around images. That space creates clarity, and clarity feels expensive. The second is simplification. A lot of websites try to do too much at once. Too many sections, too many messages, too many design elements. When everything is competing, nothing stands out. A premium website feels focused. It says less, but it says it better. The third is consistency. This is where many websites start to feel unpolished. Different fonts, different button styles, different spacing on different pages. Even small inconsistencies make a website feel less refined. A high-end website repeats the same design system throughout. Same spacing, same typography, same structure. That repetition creates a sense of control. The fourth is hierarchy. If everything on your website looks the same, visitors don't know where to look. And when they don't know where to look, they don't stay. A premium website guides attention. Clear headings, clear sections, clear flow. The visitor should never feel lost. And the fifth, and most important, is structure. A high-end website is not just designed, it's organized. Each section leads into the next. Each page has a purpose. Each element supports a larger flow. This is where most people struggle, because structure is hard to build from scratch. Which is exactly why using a well-designed template can make such a difference. A strong template already includes the spacing, hierarchy, and structure that create a premium feel. You're not starting from zero. You're refining something that already works. That's exactly how our luxury Show It website templates are designed. They're built with all of these elements already in place, so your website immediately feels more polished, more intentional, and more aligned with a high-end brand. And if you'd rather not do it yourself, we also offer white glove website customization. We take one of our templates and build your entire site for you, so you get a fully elevated website without the guesswork. If your website doesn't feel premium right now, it's not because your brand isn't. It's because the structure isn't supporting it yet. And once that changes, everything else follows. You can explore our full collection of luxury Show It website templates below.